the final stage now of our quick Thai curry. And I'm hungry. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go. Now, I've already got my noodles on the plate. This could also be rice. It could be soba noodles, whatever you prefer. Our curry's ready to go. And here we go. Take an amount that you're comfortable with. And we're going to top off our noodles. Now, this is all about presentation and what looks nice and what tastes good on the tongue. So, along with the noodles and our curry, we're going to add a little bit of green onion and a little bit of lime. That just kind of brings out a little more of the zip and the flavor in the curry. You can put another piece on the side. Little bit of sesame seed. Sesame seed is a great condiment, kind of adds a little extra flavor, a little more health to the food that you're eating. And last but not least, if you're really brave, you can add a little bit of sriracha sauce. This is a hot Korean or Japanese sauce. It's a chili-based sauce, very spicy. Use this with caution. If you're going to use it, use a little bit at a time and kind of graduate into it. It's great. It's a nice change from the hot sauces we have here. It's bright, it's very flavorful, but be careful because it will take your tongue away. So enjoy quick Thai curry.